Shanta Shreyas, who is also joining us live from New Delhi. Shanta.
Definitely. If I can show you around the traffic, then yes, it has resumed. In the last 2 days, we have seen maximum number of cars plying on this road, and of course, pillion riders. All of them, most of them are government officials, and some of them, 33% of workforce can work in private sector. So maximum, some of them are also from private sector jobs, and all of them are moving towards their office premises because this is the time when everybody goes towards office. And also, I would like to show you the standalone shop which is open, and that is mobile repairing and accessory shop that is open in this entire huge Daryaganj market, where all the shops were supposed to open after the lockdown, but we believe that only 1 or 2 standalone shops have been allowed to open over here. It is quite opposite the Daryaganj police station. The police over here is constantly monitoring the entire activity of the people out here, and ID cards are also being checked. So clearly we believe that day 3 of the lockdown is definitely not very much different from day 1. Rather, in the last 2 days, we had seen the huge queue of people outside liquor shops. Even today onwards, we have seen that huge queue to form. But yes, police is quite vigilant, and they have been asking the shop owners to shut their shops and not give liquor anymore to these people who are completely violating the social distancing norm and violating all lockdown rules that is laid out there. Now, giving a quick update about the Delhi numbers, we can tell you that yes, it has crossed 5,000 mark. In last 3 to 4 days, the cases had risen around 1,000, and there had been increase in death numbers also 64. But also the positive development is this, that a lot of containment zones have been decontained. The number of containment zones in Delhi, which had crossed a number 100, is now standing at 88. So we believe that the
crossing the 5,000 mark, 5,104 right now. And the good news also being, in the last 2 to 3 days, we are looking at no rise in the death toll. It continues to remain at 64 that we have been following up for the last 2 to 3 days. So there has been no increase. There are containment zones, that number has come down to 88. Yesterday it was 90. 2 more areas that have been decontained, now to 88. Amandeep, coming to you live right now, especially if you're looking at the Vande Bharat mission, a lot of stress that will be put on the state government there in Punjab as well, as we are expecting a lot of NRIs and other citizens who will be now flying back to Punjab. Can you give us an update on the arrangements that have been made by the state government?
Yes, exactly, Amita. The Punjab government is already getting prepared for the NRIs who are landing back to the Punjab, just because huge number of NRIs are still outside the country, and the Punjab government has decided to set up the community centers, 5-star, 4-star hotels, and even the private schools, private colleges, universities. They are going to hire the buildings of these institutions and just to turn them as a quarantine center, just because the moment NRI landed in the Punjab, they will definitely send to the quarantine centers, and such kind of arrangement according to the standards of the NRI. So this is the kind of arrangement Punjab is right now preparing. The meetings are going on. In fact, Health Minister, Chief Minister, and the Health Secretary also, they all are conducting the meetings separately with the institutions so that the such kind of arrangements should be made. Just because so far central government has announced 1 flight in Punjab so far, but it can be increased, just because number of NRIs have already landed in the month of March. Around 94,000 NRIs landed in the Punjab in the month of March, and now more NRIs will come back in the Punjab. So arrangements are the responsibility of the state government, and they are preparing it just to turn the private institutions into the quarantine centers, so that the moment they land, they will definitely go to the quarantine centers. Sampling should be done properly, and in fact no spread should be there of the COVID-19. Right now Punjab is preparing it. No such list has been come out of these centers and everything, but now Punjab government is on to it. Yes, Amita.
All right, Amandeep, thanks very much for that report. Our reporters continue to stay with us live. Madhurima, I believe we can hear you now. Can you give us an update what you're witnessing this point in time? I believe Samarth is also joining us. Samarth, I'll just come back to you after Madhurima's live report.
Okay, so I'm in INA market in the national capital. This was one market where only a couple of shops were opening for past 1 month because of the lockdown which was put in place due to the coronavirus pandemic. But today you can see that a number of, I'll ask my camera person to give you the sense of the market. Almost all shops are opening today. The workers have put out their spread onto the market for making it available for the people, which will, the market opens in another 20 minutes for the residents in the vicinity and everybody else. So now you can see that everybody is coming out. This has come after the Delhi Chief Minister allowed these relaxations for the people to function. And however, these relaxations for these single window vendors were giving much earlier. But they were skeptical and were not coming out because of the rise in cases in the national capital, which stands at 5,000 as of now. So now you can see that the market, the stores even inside the market, initially the spread was only open outside. Now even the indoor markets, like you can see the confectionery stores, the entire market has opened. I'll request my camera person to give you the sense of the market. You can see it's a huge market and it has been opened properly. What you can see new is the new normal, which is today in the times of coronavirus, is that everybody is wearing masks. They are practicing social distancing. They are trying to be separate from each other as much as they can, especially at the time when they are in such close quarters, because in the end of the day, these market spaces are in very close quarters, may it be INA or other markets in the national capital. All the offloading is being done. You can see these trucks, these tempos which have come in today. The heavy offloading is being done to, re-equip all the stores in this market, because this is one of the very huge markets which caters to South Delhi and the INA region and a couple of apartments across this vicinity. This is a very huge market. It caters to a lot of things, from garments to fruits to dry fruits and a lot of things. So as no matter that cases are on rise in the national capital, as the Delhi Chief Minister said, that we have to start living with the virus while maintaining the utmost safety we can. This is what is happening in the national capital. People, the new Delhi is limping back to normalcy in middle of this pandemic scare. The people are trying to come back, because in the end of the day we have to revive our economy as well, which took a major hit. The Chief Minister also highlighted that last year in April, the kind of revenue which we got was around 3,500 crores, and it has been reduced to 330 crores. So this kind of hit cannot be taken by a union territory, a government of a union territory. So people are coming back to offices, markets are opening, and New Delhi is trying to fight the novel virus as much as it can, while maintaining the social distancing norms, covering their mask and fighting it hard. Back to you.